If you're looking for the best professional binoculars, you're in the right place. Whether you're an avid bird watcher, a seasoned traveler, or an outdoor enthusiast, having the right pair of binoculars can elevate your experience to new heights. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 professional binoculars, highlighting their standout features, key benefits, and why they should be your next go-to tool for exploration. We've taken the time to research hundreds of products so that you don't have to, saving you hours of effort and ensuring you make the best choice for your needs. Stay tuned as we reveal the ultimate solutions, tailored to different uses, from wildlife observation to stargazing and more. Don't forget to check the product links in the description below to find your perfect match and enjoy a hassle-free shopping experience. Let's dive in. Number 5. LUXUN 10-10-25 Autofocus Binoculars. Portable, HD telescope for outdoor tourism, hunting. The LUXUN 10x25 is a compact and lightweight option, perfect for those who need portability without compromising on performance. With its BAK4 prisms and FMC lens coating, you can expect sharp, clear images, making it ideal for outdoor adventures like hiking, hunting, or sightseeing. Its 10x magnification and a field of view of 98 at 10000 are amazingly clear and 0000. This LUXUN generates magnification and a field of view of 98 at 10000. So relax, enjoy your time with the large family, and maximize the. Additionally, the IPX4 water resistance provides peace of mind in light rain or humid conditions. However, this model is best for casual use rather than highly demanding environments. While the plastic build keeps it lightweight, it might not be as durable as metal-framed alternatives. Still, for its price and functionality, it's an excellent entry-level binocular for those starting their journey into professional optics. Number 4. Celestron Outland XH42 10x42 Binoculars. The Celestron Outland X offers robust performance with multi-coated optics and BAK4 prisms, ensuring bright and detailed visuals. Its waterproof and fog-proof design makes it a reliable companion in unpredictable weather conditions. The choice of 8x or 10x magnification provides flexibility, while the 40-tom objective lens diameter captures more light, ideal for low-light scenarios such as early morning birdwatching. On the downside, its metal build, while durable, adds to the weight, which might not be comfortable for prolonged use. Despite this, its reliability and high-quality optics make it a fantastic choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking dependable performance. Number 3. TONTUBE Professional 10x42 ED Binoculars. The binoculars. The TONTUBE Professional 10x42 offers exceptional optical clarity thanks to its ED glass and fully multi-coated lenses. With a wide field of view of 114mm at 1000mm and IPX7 waterproofing, this binocular is perfect for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts who require durability and precision in any condition. Its lightweight build and central focus system ensure ease of use, making it a great choice for extended outdoor trips. The only limitation is its plastic construction, which, while lightweight, might not feel as premium as other options. Nonetheless, the TONTUBE stands out for delivering professional-grade performance at a competitive price point. Number 2. Pentax AD X25 Plus 10 Plus 25 WP Waterproof Binoculars. Pentax AD binoculars are designed for those who value compactness without sacrificing image quality. These waterproof binoculars deliver bright and sharp images thanks to their multi-coating technology and precise optical design. They are perfect for concerts, travel, and casual stargazing, providing excellent clarity in a compact frame. The smaller objective lens diameter of 25mm means it performs best in well-lit conditions, making it less suitable for nighttime use. However, its portability and reliable waterproofing make it a fantastic choice for travelers and event-goers looking for a premium yet lightweight option. Number 1. Svbony X42/10x42 ED 67 Waterproof Binoculars. The Svbony SC205 stands as the pinnacle of professional binoculars in this list. With ED glass, BAK4 prisms, and fully multi-coated lenses, it delivers unparalleled optical performance. Its wide field of view, 7.7 DEG, and IP67 waterproofing make it a versatile choice for birdwatching, stargazing, and other outdoor activities. The twist-up eye cups and long eye relief ensure comfort even during prolonged use, while the robust metal build adds durability. The only downside might be its slightly heavier frame, which some users may find less portable. Despite this, the Svbony SA25 offers incredible value and quality, making it a top choice for serious enthusiasts and professionals alike.